Foods for hair regrowth, how to make thin to thick hairs. Hair growth tips. This video is created for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Eggs provide protein. New hair is made up of protein, therefore it is important to ensure that you have enough protein in your diet. Protein is the building block of hair and eggs are one of the richest natural sources of protein. Spinach and other dark leafy greens provide iron. Iron is an essential mineral that your hair cells require. In fact, a deficiency of iron in the body may cause hair loss. Citrus fruits. To get your dose of vitamin C, your body requires vitamin C for iron absorption, therefore, you need to add citrus fruits to your diet. Nutritionists recommend that 1 lime per day is enough to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Nuts and seeds for omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids nourish the hair and support thickening. Since your body cannot produce these healthy fats, you need to derive them from your diet. C. To obtain biotin. Whole grains are rich in biotin along with iron, zinc and B vitamins.